Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Srikakulam location. Let's discuss one by one. Attention, please don't pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a vacancy for RBP Teller Service from HDFC Bank located in Srikakulam, Andhra Pradesh. You please check with the job description provided here, and for more detailed information you can visit this website link. Next, there are vacancies from Global English Indian School. They are hiring for the positions of KG, primary, middle and secondary teachers and principals. So they are hiring for all these positions. So they are going to provide free accommodation and as well as a salary, so 40k to 80k. So interested candidates, you can apply on before 28th of February 2021. They have provided here the email ID. So interested candidates, you can approach them with the given email ID. Next, there are some vacancies available from Building Blocks Group. They are hiring for the positions of sales managers and cashiers. And for these positions, you should be having minimum 5 years of experience and above from real estate, financial service sectors including banking, insurance, chit fund, etc. Salary is dependent on experience. And interested candidates, you can walk into the interviews. It starts from 12th February 2021 to 17th February 2021. Timings will be 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. So they have provided here the address details. Please check with the address details provided here, and they have also provided here the email ID and mobile number. Please go through it once. Next, there are some vacancies available from the Salvation Army, EB Hospital and College of Nursing, and they are hiring for the nursing staff for their hospital. And for this, the qualification will be MSc Nursing and BSc Nursing, and they are also recruiting for teaching staff for EB College of Nursing and School of Nursing. For this position, the qualification will be MSc Nursing and BSc Nursing. So interested candidates for these positions, you can contact to the given two numbers, or else you can send your resume to the provided email ID. The contact numbers are 9745765791, second one 7708851129. Next, Vishwa Bharati School English Medium High School is hiring for the teaching positions for Telugu and Hindi Pandits, electricians, and experienced high school teachers for mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, English, and social studies. They are hiring for the teaching positions. So, interested candidates, you can walk into the interview with the original certificates on 14th 15th February 2021 between 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at their campus. So they have provided here their address details and contact number and email ID. So interested candidates, you can call to this number, and for any doubts you can clarify with this number. Next, there are vacancies available from the Andhra Sugars Limited, divisions located at Tanuku, Kovur and Sagonda in West Godavari district. They are hiring for the trainee junior chemist position. For this position, the candidate should be first class graduate in science with mathematics, physics and chemistry from the reputed college. And interested candidates, you can apply to this position within 15 days with the recent passport size color photograph and giving complete biodata, and they have provided here the address details. So you can apply for this position through the website given here, that is www.theandhrasugars.com, and they have provided here the email ID. Please check with the information provided here. there are some vacancies available from Shashi Institute of Technology and Engineering. So they are hiring for the positions of associate professor, assistant professor, lecturers, lab assistants, programmers, fitter, mechanics, carpenter, and junior assistant and record assistant positions. So they are hiring for all these positions. For all these positions, they have provided here the qualification details. Please check with the information provided here, and it's somewhat blurry, so you can check for detailed information in the website here given here. So that is www.sasi.ac.in. so you can check detailed information in the website given here, and you can also ask them with the given phone number, that is 08818275500. so this is the phone number and this is the email id provided here, and interested candidates, you can walk into the interviews from 9th February 2021 to 14th February 2021 between 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. in their campus. Next, there are vacancies available from Metro Greens located in Vizag. They are hiring for the candidates of a store in charge, service staff and helpers. So they are hiring for these positions. They require both males and females. The candidates below 30 years of age. So interested candidates, you can contact to this given phone number, that is 9885503493. Next, there are some vacancies available from Jawahar Children's School. They are hiring for the positions of lady teachers to teach from 1st to 5th standard all subjects in English medium. So they have provided here the contact details. Interested candidates, you can contact with the given phone number, that is 9110763240. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.